So a great Eyes Are The Story hack with the liquid liner is you can actually have a delicate application. So what I've done here, see, what I do first is I just dot the line a little bit, and before it dries, I blot it. You can actually have a more delicate application of the Eyes Are The Story liner. Again, just dot lightly above the lashes and smudge or blot before the liner dries, and then you'll have a very delicate application that will enhance the lashes and enhance the eyes without that really intense liquid liner effect. But of course, if you want more, go wild. And again, non-burning, non-flaking, and really easy to apply and really easy to remove with the Eyes Are The Story wipes. So try it. Blot, smudge before it dries, and you have a more delicate Eyes Are The Story liquid liner application.